Hello everyone. In this video we are going to identify different gases. The first gas that we have to identify is ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is, let's say, is being produced in this reaction and is coming out of this test tube. Now ammonia gas is basic in nature, so we identify it with the help of a moist red litmus paper. Let's take a moist red litmus over the test tube. Here we got a moist red litmus over here on the top of the test tube. So what it will do, ammonia gas will change this litmus paper into the blue. So this is because of the basic nature of ammonia gas. So we can say ammonia gas turns moist red litmus to blue. The next gas that we have to identify is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide gas is produced over here in the test tube and is coming out from here. And what we do, that we pass carbon dioxide gas through lime water. Let's see how it is done. So this is how we are passing the carbon dioxide gas through lime water. Here we got the lime water, and lime water is actually calcium hydroxide. And when carbon dioxide gas is passed through it, it turns milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. So here the lime water turns milky over here. So this shows the presence of carbon dioxide. So we can say carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky. So the next gas that we have to identify is chlorine gas. Chlorine gas is tested with the help of a blue litmus paper. So we'll take a moist blue litmus paper over here. So here we got the litmus paper, that is blue moist litmus paper, and chlorine gas is being formed over here. It comes out and it reacts with the litmus paper, and due to this reaction the litmus paper, it is bleached. That means it turns white. This change of color is due to the chlorine gas. So we can say that chlorine bleaches the damp litmus paper. The next gas that we have to identify is hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is a gas that burns explosively. So what we do, that we will take a burning splint. Burning splint means a burning matchstick or a burning wooden stick inside this gas, and what will happen? So we have taken a burning matchstick over here in the hydrogen, and hydrogen gas burns with a pop. So this shows the presence of hydrogen gas. So we can say hydrogen gas pops with a lighted splint. The next gas that we have to identify is oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is a supporter of combustion. It does not burn itself. So what we do, that we take a glowing splint. What do you mean by glowing splint? So glowing splint is actually is that you have got, let's say, a burning matchstick, and you just extinguish it. When the burning matchstick is extinguished, it remains red from the tip for few seconds. That is known as the glowing splint. So when a glowing matchstick or a glowing splint is taken in a test tube containing oxygen, what happens, that the glowing splint, it relights, means it burns once again. So this shows the presence of oxygen, since it is a supporter of combustion. So we can say oxygen relights a glowing splint. The last gas that we have to identify is sulfur dioxide gas. Let's see how it is identified. So sulfur dioxide gas is tested with the help of acidified potassium manganate 7, which is purple solution. So sulfur dioxide gas being produced in this test tube and is passed through the acidified potassium manganate 7, and the color of this solution is purple. And when sulfur dioxide gas is passed through it, the purple color of potassium manganate 7, it is decolorized. So this happens in this case. So we can say that sulfur dioxide, it turns acidified potassium manganate 7 from purple to colorless. This is all about the identification of gases. You have to learn all these tests. Hope you understood all of these stuff. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.